Today we're making green chicken enchilada casserole with hidden veggies. It's so delicious and healthy. First, you're going to start with 2 zucchini and grate them onto a clean towel. Sprinkle with salt and set aside. Then, grab some corn tortillas and cut them into quarters. Go back to that zucchini and wring out as much water as you can into a bowl or over your sink. Add some chicken, the zucchini, salsa verde, and shredded cheese to a bowl and mix together. Grab a casserole dish and add some salsa verde to the bottom and spread out. Add 1/3 of the tortillas to the bottom and 1/2 of the chicken mixture on top of that. Another 1/3 of the tortillas and the rest of the chicken mixture, followed by the remaining tortillas, the remaining salsa verde, and the rest of your shredded cheese. Bake it in the oven until it's bubbly, top with cilantro and red onion, and it's finished. Get this and more recipes at bowlofdelicious.com.